Hi everyone, this is Nervina Ferrer and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to install SUSE Linux with the use of a virtual environment, VMware. As we all know, SUSE Linux Enterprise Server is scalable and it allows users to efficiently deploy IT services across a variety of environments. But before we start, make sure you have your VMware or VirtualBox installed in your device. But if you don't have it yet, you may go to their website and download it for free. So let's go to our website and search for VMware. Let's proceed to the first result that appears. Let's go to Products tab and scroll down and go to Workstation Player. Click Download for free. It will open in a new tab and click Go to Download. And here, the information, click Download now depending on your device. So for Windows 64-bit operating system, just click Download now and wait for it to download. For the whole installation process, I will link a video in the comment section for your guide. And also, make sure that you have the SUSE Linux file or the installer, which I already have here, and I will also be posting it in the comment section, the link for this file, so you can have it. So let's start. Let's open the VMware Workstation. Let's click the Create a New Virtual Machine, and click Next. Click Linux, and then click Next. Here we can customize the virtual machine name and as well as the location for this file. Click Next. The maximum disk size is 20. Let's retain it. And let's choose the stored virtual disk as a single file. And then click Next. In this area, we will click the Customize Hardware. And let's go to New CD/DVD. And use ISO image file. And let's browse and let's input this file. So in desktop, open and then let's close this. And let's click Finish. So after that, we will click this one, right click, and then click the power on. Let's click the installation. For this one, we will have to use our up and down button to navigate, and we will choose the installation. This may take a while, so you have to have a bit of patience. And after it loaded, we will read the license agreement, and afterward, let's just click the I agree to the license terms. Click agree, and then just click next. For this media check, let's click the start check and wait till the program is finished. And after the result is here, let's just click next. And let's wait again for the system probing. And let's choose the new installation. So let's click next. For the clock and time zone, we will not change anything. Let's just proceed. For the server-based scenario, we will also leave it as it is and proceed. And for the installation setting, we will have to wait again. And then we will click install and I guess read again the confirm package license and then click I agree. And finally click install. So yeah, let's wait until it's finished in basic installation. The system will reboot now. Let's just click OK. And let's wait again. For the password for the system administrator root, we will put a password. I will put root123. And guys, it's just an example. So to confirm the password, let's just write it again, and then click next. So a prompt will appear. We will just have to click yes. For this part, let's just leave it as it is and click next. And for this one, let's just leave it. Use following configuration. And let's just wait till it finished in. And let's click next. Let's wait as it saves the network configuration. And for this part, the test internet connection, we may skip this part and click next. Click next. For the user authentication mode, let's just choose the local. And then for the new local user, we will declare our user's full name. Mine, I will use my first name. And for my password, I will use the password that I have declared earlier, such as the root 123. And let's confirm it again by typing it again. And then click next. So it will prompt, and we will just have to click yes and wait for this one before we proceed to the next process. So it will provide a release note. If you want to read it, you may, but for now, we will have to click next to proceed. And for the hardware configuration, we can see a prompt here, and be aware that the screen may flicker during this process. So in this process, we're in the hardware configuration. Assume that this is part of the process. So after that, we will wait until it get back. And then after that, we will click next and wait for this one as it saves the sound card settings. And then finish. So here, our installation is now completed, and it will now cloning the system. And now, as the installation is completed, you are now able to modify and use this OS. You may create files and run some IT services that you can do. And for this part, we will put what we have entered earlier. Mine is Nervina. And then for the password, I will input the root 123 and then click login. And there you have it, guys. Congratulations for finishing the installation process of SUSE Linux. And I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial video. And I hope you enjoy our company today. And good luck.